In this video, we will be breaking down the NET Psychology paper of 30th of August. That was the re-exam of June 2024. And also we will be discussing from where the paper is coming. As you already know, if you are watching our videos from past 2 months or 3 months, or you would have watched our videos previously, then we have explicitly mentioned that you just need to study only two books, plus you have to do the PYQs thoroughly to clear your NET and GRF examination. So if you are still struggling, if you are still wondering how you can do it on your own, you can do it on your own without any single help. All right, so you can do it on your own, but you have to follow what has been told previously and what is being told right now. So this is the question from UGC NET Psychology RENET question paper 30th of August 2024, and the question states that the process by which one person tries to change the belief, opinion, blah 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 through argument, pleading or explanation is an suitable example of what? Social influence, de-individuation, persuasion, pro-social behavior. And if you are confused between this option and this option, obviously you would have sound knowledge about de-individuation and pro-social behavior. But still, if you are confused between option number A and option number 3, if you have marked option number 3, it's pretty good, well and good. But if you are confused in the exam hall, what will be the correct answer? So what you are going to watch right now will blow your mind completely. So this is the PDF which you will be receiving very shortly on our Telegram channel. So if you have not yet joined the Telegram channel, make sure that you join the Telegram channel. So persuasion, it is written over here, and the book is what? Our precious book, Soundra K. Ciccarelli. All right. So the process by which one person tries to change the belief, opinion, blah 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 blah, argument, pleading, explanation, word to word copy paste, and what else I can say? You can read the blah 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 over here, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. So if we talk about the NET psychology examination, so from where your complete paper is coming is the book which you can find below in the link. And if you want this free PDF, free link, or what we can say free Telegram, sorry, not Telegram, free PDF, then you can join our Telegram group, which is mentioned as like this, and you have to just write simply English in front of that. All right. So you can get the free PDF over there, and if you are someone who likes to read physical books and physical thing, so you can download, you cannot download, you can order it from the link given below. Alright, so same as it is question is coming from this book, and this is just a premiere, this is just an one example, okay? I mean, this is just an example, and there are hell lot of examples there that are out there in this book, which you will eventually get once you start reading the book. And it's just not simply that you have to read all these black block box or black boxes, or you will just read it for the sake of reading. It's not going to help you until and unless you are reading it with full consciousness and full alertness, as we can say. If you are reading being alert, if you are reading within the lines, then only this book is going to help you, which no one will help. Okay, so make sure that you read this book for your upcoming examination. So if you are not able to clear this, that's what not I want, but if you are clearing this examination, it's very good. But if you are aiming for December 24 or June 25 or December 25, whatever it is, as long as you are from English medium, you can completely blindly rely on this book. This book will help you immensely and immensely and immensely. You will be, let me give you one another shock. If you can read this question, UGC NET Psychology RENET question paper 30th of August. The theory which is used to compare judgments or the decisions we make under uncertain conditions, blah blah blah, subliminal, signal, judgmental, decision. Although this question is not correct, but still, mirror, mirror, tell me. Signal detection theory provides a method for assessing the blah 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 accuracy of judgments or decisions under uncertain conditions. And now you have the answer over here, though this question is not framed properly, but still two questions directly from this book. All right, not just two, just this is just an example of two pair of questions, I mean a pair of questions, but there are many questions that are waiting for you to explore. So what are you waiting for? Go download this PDF from the Telegram channel, or if you want to order, you can order it from the link given below if you wish to read physical book. All right. So this book is what we will be sharing is book which is not an Indian adaptation, but you will find all the things in that book apart from the Indian adaptation by Girishwar Mishra. Alright. So for having that thing, for Girishwar Mishra thing, you have to order it for that Indian adaptation one, which is I guess 6E Sonra Kesarelli 6th edition. Okay, so you can download, not sorry, my bad, not download. You can you can order it from the link given below, or if you can just Google it, you will get that book from Amazon, Flipkart, from wherever you want. But this PDF will be completely the Western edition, so it will not be your Indian adaptation one. So you just have to be little careful about that. You will not find all the Indian psychology things as well as unit 1 things in this particularly book, but if you order that book, then you will definitely find the Indian adaptation version of that. And if you want to know the correct answer for this, then you must order this book. You will find the answer in that book only. So in this PDF, you might not find, what you might not, you will definitely not find this answer. What is the correct answer for this Taittiriya Upanishad, the Panchakoshas, but you will definitely find in that book, which will be your physical one. So this is the image of that book. So make sure that you are having the 6th edition and you find this name over there for Indian version. Alright. Okay, so I hope this video is helpful for you. You find it helpful, little helpful. You have the proof as well. So if you like to see all these more proofs, then you can comment down below and we will be happy to help you all.